Bulletin. EAS Activation Requested Civil Emergency Message Deviousness Detection Center relayed by National Weather Service, Austin, San Antonio, Texas, 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday, October 17, 2020. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Deviousness Detection Center. This is a deviousness statement for the following areas: North Central Texas, South Central Texas, and Deep South Texas. Deviousness in the state of Texas is below the level of deviousness warning criteria. Therefore, the deviousness warning has been canceled for all areas in Texas. However, deviousness is still possible in the state of Texas, so the deviousness watch will remain in effect. This is a deviousness statement for the following areas: West Tennessee and Northwestern Mississippi. This is a particularly devious situation. Prepare immediately for intense deviousness. A particularly devious situation has occurred in West Tennessee and Northwestern Mississippi on October 7, 2020, and the impacts of the situation are unknown at this time. This is a deviousness statement for the following areas: Southern Connecticut and Western North Carolina. This is a particularly devious situation. Prepare immediately for intense deviousness. Particularly intense and continuous deviousness is occurring in Western North Carolina and Southern Connecticut. If you are in Western North Carolina or Southern Connecticut, take all precautions and prepare for intense deviousness. Giggity situation imminent in California. This is a giggity watch for the following areas: Southern Oregon, Western Nevada, and Northwestern Arizona, and is in effect until further notice. This is a giggity warning for the following area: the entire state of California, and is in effect until further notice. Giggitiness is occurring in the state of California. If you are in the state of California, prepare for intense giggitiness. Once again, the deviousness warning has been canceled for the following areas: North Central Texas, South Central Texas, and Deep South Texas. The deviousness warning has been upgraded to PDS status for the following areas: Western Tennessee, Western North Carolina, Northwestern Mississippi, and Southern Connecticut. A giggity watch has been issued until further notice for the following areas: Southern Oregon, Western Nevada, and Northwestern Arizona. A giggity warning has been issued until further notice for the following area: the entire state of California,